Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Plenty of Fish. Plenty of Fish is a website which seems to be down right now. It's like a dating website. It's currently down right now. If you go to the website, you'll see this message, oh, Carp, looks like we've run into some issues. Visit our help center to get back out there. You could click on help center and go there, but there's not much help over there. Down there it says access denied, and then there's some text which seems to be annoying because you can't really read it if you scroll down. But overall, if we look at the status on the down detector, you can see a lot of reports being made recently. Other people are reporting on different, especially for US, but it's been being reported in UK, Australia, and all over the world as well, wherever people are using this website or the app. Both the app and the website seem to be down right now for Plenty of Fish, or it's short for POF as well. The reason for this is basically there's some schedule maintenance going on at the website right now. If you want to get some updates on this, this is their official Twitter account for Plenty of Fish, and as you can see, they've tweeted around 41 minutes ago and around 2 hours ago as well. There's basically a scheduled maintenance going on the website and the app around 2 a.m. Pacific time. So that is right now, that is around 40 minutes ago. So that is what's happening right now, and that is why the app and the website are both down right now. So this is the update on Plenty of Fish. That's why it's down. It went down previously in July as well. So that time it was around 24 hours or so. But hopefully this time they'll be able to fix it very soon. As per them, they are working on it, and they will be able to get back to normal as soon as possible. However, there's no ETA provided as of now, so hopefully it will get fixed very soon. So that's all for today's video. Hope this was helpful and informational. Let us know in the comments what kind of problems you're facing on the app and the website, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.